Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hunt. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening another box for Innistrad Remastered Play Boosters. Last box was pretty nice. Let's hope this one also is, for my sake. So, without further ado, discover the coolest cards. Let's discover the coolest cards, hopefully. Let's see what we get. Sadly, there's not many cool commons or uncommons here. And I almost missed it, a Galvanic Iteration, which is a decent one. And on to the next one we go. Let's see if we can top the last box. We have a Hopeful Initiate. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we have an Overgrown Farmland. And a foil Zealous Conscript. And on to the next one we go. Where we have the Meat Hook Massacre. Very nice. Although I myself have already opened 3 now. That price not gonna stay high for very long, I am afraid. Which is okay, because after all, card pieces should be accessible. But of course, makes opening cards not very profitable. We have a Hullbreaker Horror. And that's it here. Then again, if the boxes weren't that expensive, the card pieces would probably also be less expensive. We have a Hermit Druid. Lovely. Also, the box doesn't want to stay open. So, let me just fix that. Silly box. On to the next one. There's some cards which are fine. We have the Henwire Battlements to go with our Henwire Garrison from last time. Old Border Voldaren Epic here, that's nice. I like the Old Border cards. If it's something I might use, I like getting them in Old Border. On to the next one, where we get a Mayor of Averbrook, which of course turns out to be a Howlpack Alpha. And then an Archghoul of Traven in the retro border. On to the next one. Where we get an Overcharged Amalgam. And that's it here. Moving on. We get a Garruk Relentless. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we get another Zealous Conscript, a Wretched Griff in retro, and that's it. On to the next one. with a Sundown Pass. A Conjurer's Closet, also a nice one to have. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we have yet another Rooftop Storm. An Old Border Gather the Townsfolk. On to the next one. Faithless Looting. Very nice. More Faithless Looting. We have a Falconrath Gorger, which gives all your vampires madness. A Shipwreck Marsh. Village Messenger. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we have a lovely extended art Young Wolf, a Traverse v Ulvenwald, a Blood Artist in retro, and that's it. On to the next one. There we get a second harvest, a Spider Spawning in retro, and that's it. On to the next one. Where we have a Hellvault, a Tree of Perdition. Not bad, but can be better. Will the next one be better? Let's see. We have a Chandra, Dressed to Kill, an Abundant Maw, and a Laboratory Maniac in foil. On to the next one. Where we have a Memory Deluge, another Memory Deluge, not another one. That would have been very silly. 3 Memory Deluges. On to the next one. Also like how they are now reprinting Upgrade everywhere they can. Where we get a Liesa, Forgotten Archangel, a Mass Hysteria in the retro frame, a Bedlam Reveler in foil. We get it all. Can we get an Emrakul? That would be something I would like to have. We get a Thing in the Ice, which of course turns out to be an Awoken Horror. And that's it here. We still have a few packs left, so no worries, we can still go big or go home. Traverse the Ulvenwald yet again, a Metallic Mimic in the Old Border. And on to the next one. Where we get an Invasion of Innistrad, which of course turns into a Deluge of the Dead. And on to the next one. Where we have a Shattered Sanctum. Please don't shatter the sanctums. There's no need for that. Blood Artist in the Very weird art treatment from the latest Innistrad set. A Huntmaster of the Fells. And that's it. On to the next one. Morbid Opportunist. Very nice. A Tireless Tracker. And that's it here. Moving on. We have a Distended Mindbender. And a Kafar Commando in Old Border. On to the next one. Where we have a Cryptolith Rite. Also shot up quite a bit price-wise. But maybe it's coming down now. I haven't actually looked at all the prices yet. But since it's only rare, might be more prevalent, so the price might be going down. And we get him again, Edgar Markov, my guy. This time not in... Ooh, what is this pack? A Craterhoof Behemoth in Retro Border. What a pack. Very stacked. Very, very stacked. There are no complaints here. On to the next one, where we have an Odric, Lunak, Marshall, and a foil Extended Art Abundant Growth. On to the next one. Where we have yet another. In the last box we also had one. A Kafar's Crusade. Foil Upgrade. On to the next one. Where we get a Gravecrawler. That's a classic one. And an Old Border Tragic Slip. A foil Memory Deluge. What does it actually do? I don't actually know. Let's see. Look at the top X cards of your library, where X is the amount of mana spent to cast the spell. So if you cast it with Flashback, you're looking at 7 cards. Put 2 of them into your hand and the rest on the bottom of your library in a random order. That doesn't sound too interesting. Sadly. On to the next one, where we get an Unnatural Growth. And that's it. And we're down already, yet again, to the last 3 packs. Will the last 3 packs matter, or will they not? We shall see. We get a Tamio Field Researcher, which is fine. Could have also been an Emrakul, just saying. Moving on. Second to last pack, by the way. A Metallic Mimic and a Docent of Perfection. And that's it here. And yet again, once again, down to the last pack. Let's see what we get. Only the best test, please. A Torrent's Fist of the Angels, a Flash Taker, and an Epitaph Golem. That was not the pack, but was okay, I think. We shall see. Well, you already know, based on the price in the corner. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I shall be seeing you at the next one.